A road construction site requires electricity to power equipment, such as disc grinders, demolition hammers, and welders. The operator must avoid contact with live electrical cables. The passage of electric current through the human body could lead to tetanyization, which is paralysis of the subject, or ventricular fibrillation, the main cause of death from electrical contact. Electrocution or electric shock can also be caused by the equipment for the work, approaching a power line, or by sources of water and puddles in the construction area. Dust, mud, and rain are additional risk factors. Another aspect to consider concerns the high levels of stress to which the components of the electrical system are subject: extreme heat, UV radiation, ice, impacts, cuts, and chemical aggression from substances contained, for example, in concrete. To minimize electrical risk on construction sites, it is essential to carefully choose the components to use, following the guidelines provided by the technical standards. The operator must ensure that the distribution panels for electrical energy bear the ACS mark and are in good condition. On construction sites, only industrial-type sockets and plugs should be used, selected based on the degree of protection indicated on the electrical equipment: IP44 for splashes, and IP67 in the presence of water jets or puddles. Particular attention should also be paid to the choice of electrical cables and their positioning on the construction site. The operator must use flexible conductors, resistant to abrasion and water penetration, which bear printed identification codes. To avoid damage to the insulation of the cables, they should not pass through vehicle and pedestrian traffic areas. Road construction sites often are not reached by conventional power lines. Therefore, the operator must equip himself with portable power generators, ensuring that the reference manual confirms their grounding insulation. Additionally, it is necessary for the worker to check for any tampering or damage to switches, fuses, and protections. Finally, the operator is responsible for ensuring that the generator is located as close as possible to the equipment to be powered, and that they are equipped with either double insulation or yellow-green protective conductors. In case of doubts, it is always advisable to consult a qualified electrician